Hello guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel or today we are going to see how to copy the PS file inside a one PDS file to the another PDS file. How to copy the PS file of one PDS to another PDS. So this is very important topic guys. So many mainframe developers till date they don't know how to copy it, or actually you'll get to know how means it's not actually difficult, but yeah, it's confusing. So many times the developer got confused how to copy the file from one PDS to another PDS. So गाइस मैं आपको बताने जा रहा हूँ कि एक पीडीएस से दूसरे पीडीएस में फाइल कैसे कॉपी करते हैं। तो उसके लिए हमें सबसे पहले यूटिलिटीज में जाना होगा। सो फॉर दैट पर्पज वी हैव टू एंटर 3 to enter into the utilities. After that after that type 4 to enter into the DS list, and after that you have to search the PS file you have created. So first, before starting this, I'll tell you what are the files I am going to use for this demo. So this is my ram.pds. In that I have m as a member. तो यहाँ एक मेरा मेंबर है जिसका नाम है यम। तो मैं इसको कॉपी करूंगा। I'll copy this yum member of ram.pds file into the rama.pds file, which already contain one member mm. So after successful execution of my demo, you will get to you can see two files here. Means I'm going to copy that m member from that ps file to from ram.pds to rama.pds. So this is my problem statement actually. So for that, what I have to do, I have to just type co copy. I have to copy some members of the rama.pds. So I'll type co and I'll press enter. After that it will open that member and it will ask me which members do you want to copy. So if here it can be more than one members in this pds file. So which member you have to copy, just press s in front of it. You can copy three or four members simultaneously, so just press s in front of it and just press enter. That's it. So one copy entry panel will be popped up in front of you. Just give the name of the pds. So in our case we have to copy this member into the rama.pds. So we will type the name here into the single quotes. It should be necessary. So this is my pds name into which I want to copy the member and member. So I'll hit enter. So see here, this yum member is getting copied. So it means you have successfully copied this member into the PDS file. If you want to check it, just press F3 and go to that rama.pds. You will get two members in rama.pds. So here we go. We have done it. So you can see in before execution of this demo, we had only mm as a member in a rama.pds, but after successful copy, now we have two members in this rama.pds. First is m and second one is mm. So here we go. We have done this. So thanks for watching. And if you find this video really important for you, and if you want to watch such a video in future, please like my channel, share my channel, and subscribe my channel, and hit the bell icon so that you will get regular update. And thanks for watching.